Time once again for the Law and You. Joining us today, we have the super intelligent Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman with us.
Oh, God.
We are so happy you're here.
People who would like to differ with that.
There's many people that would like to, that would have something to say about that.
I've heard some stories, absolutely.
Hardworking.
But you know what? You give us such
Super
great
intelligent,
free legal advice. So let's get to this question today. This comes from Mel in Stroudsburg. Mel's saying, I go to a local supermarket twice a week, and unfortunately, I slipped on some liquid and broke my tailbone. Ow. I reported it, but not sure what to do. I'm really hurting. Ooh.
Mel, I can sympathize with you because I broke my tailbone. Super painful injury, really painful injury, but tough case. You know, just the mere fact that there might have been some liquid on the ground doesn't necessarily mean that you have a case. You have to prove notice. You have to prove, in these types of cases, you have to prove that that particular liquid, whether it was water or you know, shampoo or oil or whatever it was, that it was there for an unreasonable length of time.
And there were no like signs marking it? Okay.
Correct, because I mean, it could have just fallen on the ground, you know, seconds before you came through. So it's tough. Those are difficult cases.
But the good news is now you're seeing with these supermarket cases, there are a lot more surveillance cameras available. We could look and see if it's a store-created danger. That's an exception.
The sweep sheets.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of things that can be done with it. But you know, with these cases, those types of injuries, you definitely need to pick up the phone, get a consult, and you know, sometimes you got to kick around in those cases a little bit to see what happens.
And Greg's hit the nail right on the head. With those surveillance cameras, they only keep them for a very limited period of time. Okay. So if you don't pick up the phone and call a lawyer, and a lawyer doesn't send out what's called a preservation letter, they have no duty. They have no obligation, no duty to keep those videos.
Because most likely you fall on your tailbone, you're not snapping pictures of what happened and where it was.
Correct.
So,
but you should.
Yeah, you definitely should.
You heard it here first. The Law on You. Guys, thanks for your time today. Give them a call for more advice and submit your questions to PAHomepage.com.